morning, good afternoon, good evening, learners. Hope you all are doing great things at home. The last part of the topic, tenses. That's what I am here today for you. Let's wind up the last form of the tense, perfect continuous tense. It's on the board. The last part of the tense, perfect continuous tense. Now there are three parts in perfect continuous tenses. Present, perfect, continuous. Now all this present, perfect, continuous. Now when I say perfect, please to remember you need to call the auxiliaries has or have. Perfect, which auxiliaries? Has or have. Now, the first part of the perfect tenses, present, perfect, continuous. Now, present, perfect. Present, we have to take has or have. Now, when to use has and when to use have, I will explain. Present, continuous tense. It is already written there. Present continuous tense. Subject person as usual. Let me today, I am not going to call he or she or it and all. Today let me call somebody, that is Neeraj, one of my old students' name, Neeraj. If Neeraj, are you hearing, you should be happy that I am calling your name out. Neeraj now has, Neeraj is singular subject person. So Neeraj I have taken from here has. Neeraj has. Now continuous, you know already ing form of the verb. Now I am adding Neeraj has eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. Is the sentence correct? Neeraj has eating. Something is wrong. Something is missing. Now, who is missing here is B-E-N. B-E-E-N. Been. So, present continuous. First one is present continuous. See, subject person plus has been plus ing form of the verb. So, what is present perfect continuous? Has or have plus been plus ing. Has or have plus been plus ing. So here I am adding B-E-E-N, been plus ing. So this is the total formula of present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous has or have plus been plus ing. Revise it. So Neeraj has been eating. Now if you want to call this have, you need to use the plural subject person. So plural subject person, I use here they. So you cannot call they has been eating. Wrong. It should be they have plus B-E-N, been walking. They have been walking. Understood? So present perfect continuous has or have plus been plus ing. Now when to use has and when to use have, you are very thorough about it, hope so. Present perfect continuous. I have finished here present perfect continuous. I'll just wipe it off, but the formula remains here. Forgive me if I am unkind with the board, because when I teach I am totally into it, so I make a war on the board, as you know that. Perfect continuous, present perfect has or have plus been plus ing. Now next one is, so I just jot down here, present already I have finished. Now next one I am going to take past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous, you need to call the auxiliary had plus been plus ing. One more child I call here, that is Kishore. I have a very favorite student. His name is Kishore Rak. So I mention his name here. Kishore had been studying. See, Kishore, subject person, past perfect continuous, ing, past perfect continuous. Kishore had been studying. Now here, even if there is plural form, had remains had only. It doesn't have any other plural form. Going back again, present continuous, present perfect continuous, has or have plus been plus ing. Past perfect continuous, had plus been plus ing. Got it? Understood? Okay. Now I keep this here. Going back to next one is future perfect continuous. Already I have explained past perfect continuous. Now comes future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. What is this future perfect continuous? Whenever we talk about future we use will or shall. All know it, will or shall. Future perfect continuous. So another child I call here Kaushal. Is Kaushal listening to it? Happy to call your name? Kaushal, now future, Kaushal will have perfect been then ing, writing. Kaushal will future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Kaushal will have been learning. Now here, whether future subject person we. Even if we is there, future subject person also, you need to take the same thing only. We will have been walking. We will have been writing. Okay. Now, Kaushal, I'm making your name little darker. Okay. Now, all the three perfect continuous tenses I have revised. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous, revise again and again. Has or have plus been plus ing. Now past perfect continuous, had plus been plus ing. Future perfect continuous, will have been plus ing. Future perfect continuous. So all the perfect continuous tenses I have told you. Now the question is, children, you will be asking why should we, the applicability, why should we use this word? What is the use of, now for example, has been eating, have been eating and had been eating. Now has been eating is present, it is continuously perfect, it is going on. An incident that happened in the present and still it is continuing. So therefore we use it. Then why should we use had been? A past incident which continued in the past. Therefore we use past perfect continuous. Many of the students used to ask me, why do we use that? That the incident happened in the past, it was continuing in the past and it ended also in the past. Therefore we use had been plus ing, past perfect continuous. Now future, if something you imagine it is going to continue, you use future perfect continuous. I will have been going to Mumbai in the next coming week. See, future, it will be continuing, I am certain about it. Then we use future perfect continuous. So this is all for today. That is all the continuous, perfect continuous forms I have revised with you. Now what I was thinking, that is tenses I have already revised. It was mainly short for the school going children, for them to be thorough with tenses. And I request all my learners to review all my videos, because from the beginning, almost this is the 5th video I think. in which everywhere I have mentioned about the tense. The complete tense forms I have revised in 5 videos. So those who want to learn the tenses perfectly, listen from, watch from the first video till date, including today's this video. Then you will get the thorough, complete set of knowledge about the tense forms, especially school going children. I would want you to revise it again and again. Okay, now I'll be coming, now tense form I finish, and then I'll be getting also, what exactly you want. So I'll be trying to give you the best knowledge of the best part of grammar lessons to you in the coming videos also. Maybe it can be some conversational skills, maybe some vocabulary building, maybe some of them have even asked for the very junior children how to develop early reading skills. So perhaps in the coming videos I will be sharing how to train our little ones for their reading, early English reading. Okay, so till then, for the new video, till it comes, I take a bye today. Hope you all are doing great things at home. Once again, thank you so much for watching me very, very patiently. And what else you to do? You know it. That is like, share, subscribe, and also comment. Okay. Thank you then. Bye.